Well, it is a not very nice day down here at the South Platte River, but we had a pretty cold overnight. The ice looked kind of neat. It's frozen up somewhat clear out there, but there's still a lot of snow on the bank here. See if I can get out there. All I could do with it is just flop it over. Now this one, I might be able to pick it up. It's got a hole. Oh, I can't get my finger in that. Let's throw it on the ice. That was cool. There's one more right here. I can kind of, no, it keeps breaking. That was a hole in the ice was holding the camera there for a little while. Maybe if I just go the other direction. Yeah, right there. Awesome. Well, I guess if there's nothing left to break, I could bring the pole along with. Get the water drained out of it. My hands are starting to get cold though, so this video will probably end pretty soon. I just love coming down here and seeing the ice and what it does. Like here it's deposited a whole bunch of the river right on the rock. Oh, it's frozen.